In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video on Microsoft Teams with audio, whether you're presenting in a meeting or just sharing that intriguing documentary snippet with your team. Ensuring your audience can not only see, but hear your video is vital. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through every step. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and log in using your account details. This is your starting point, the gateway to all the features Teams offers, including the one we're focusing on today. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Calendar section on the sidebar. This area is like the central hub for all your scheduled meetings and events. You'll see a list of all your upcoming appointments, but what we're interested in is finding the specific meeting where you want to share your video. Once you've found the right meeting in your calendar, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the meeting details, providing you with an overview of what's about to happen and who will be attending. Next, it's time to join the meeting. Look for the Join button. This is your ticket into the virtual meeting room. Give it a click and you'll be on your way. After you've clicked Join, you'll find yourself in the pre-meeting screen. Here, Teams gives you a moment to adjust your camera and mic settings before diving in. Just click Join Now when you're ready to enter the meeting proper. Now, for the moment we're here for sharing your video with audio. At the top of the Teams interface, you'll see a toolbar. From this toolbar, select Share. A new window will pop up, giving you several options for what you can share with your meeting participants. You'll want to click on Screen, Window, or Tab. This choice allows you to specify exactly what content from your computer gets shared. Once you've selected Screen, Window, or Tab, you'll be presented with options regarding what exact screen or window you'd like to share. It could be a PowerPoint presentation, a browser tab, or in our case, a video player window. But here's the most crucial step. Before you hit the Share button to start sharing, make sure you enable the option to share your system's audio. You'll see a toggle at the bottom of this window that specifically says Include Computer Sound or something similar. Turn this on. This action ensures that when you share your video, the audio will come through loud and clear to your audience, providing them with a complete viewing experience. Once you've selected your video window and ensured the audio share toggle is turned on, click Share. Voila, you're now sharing your video with audio on Microsoft Teams. Remember, clear communication is key, especially in a virtual environment. By following these steps, you ensure that your team or meeting participants can engage with your shared content just as effectively as if you were all in the same room. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on sharing videos with audio on Microsoft Teams. Whether for work, education, or just fun, mastering this feature opens up a world of possibilities for seamless collaboration and shared experiences. Happy sharing!